So, bending moment calculation. Again we consider point A as origin and we move towards right to other extreme end point G. So taking a section at point A, we have bending moment at point A is equal to 0. Now we see that summation of all moments about point A is nothing but sum of all the moments on the right hand side of section considering point A, which is nothing but by definition bending moment at point A. Now since this summation of all moments about point A is equal to 0, our bending moment at A will also be equal to 0. Next we take section at point B. So bending moment at point B is equal to, now sign convention for bending moment is on the left hand side of section clockwise moment and on the right hand side of section anti-clockwise moment is taken as positive, whereas on the left hand side of section anti-clockwise moment and on the right hand side of section clockwise moment is taken as negative. So now considering the left hand side of section from point B, we have a first clockwise moment caused due to the vertical support reaction of 5 kN acting at a distance of 3 meter from point B. So we have 5 into 3. This is equal to 15 kN meter. Next we take section at C. So bending moment at C is equal to, considering the left hand side of section, we have first moment caused due to this vertical support reaction 5 kN acting at a distance of 4 meter from point C. So 5 into 4. Next we also have this anti-clockwise moment caused due to the downward force of 20 kN acting at a distance of 1 meter from point C. So we have minus 20 into 1. So this is equal to 0. So we can say bending moment at point C is equal to 0. Next we move towards point D. Now we see that at point D we have a couple. So we'll take a section towards left of D and towards right of D and very near to it. So bending moment towards left of D is equal to, considering the left hand side of this section, we have a clockwise moment of magnitude 5 into 5, then an anti-clockwise moment of magnitude 20 into 2, then a clockwise moment caused due to the vertical support reaction Vc of 10 kN force acting at a distance of 1 meter. So plus 10 into 1. So this is equal to minus 5 kN meter. Next we consider section towards right of D. So bending moment towards right of D is equal to, considering the left hand side of this section, we have, there is an addition of this clockwise moment of magnitude 10 kN meter. So we have minus 5 plus 10 equal to 5 kN meter. Next we move to point E. Bending moment at point E will be equal to 0 since point E is internal hinge and bending moment at internal hinge is 0. Next we take section at point F. So bending moment at point F is equal to, considering the same left hand side of section, we have first a clockwise moment caused due to this 5 kN force acting at a distance of 8 meter. So 5 into 8. Next an anti-clockwise moment caused due to this downward 20 kN force acting at a distance of 5 meter. So we have minus 20 into 5. Then there is a clockwise moment caused due to this vertical support reaction Vc of 10 kN acting at a distance of 4 meter. So plus 10 into 4. Then there is a clockwise moment of 10 kN meter. So plus 10. Then there is an anti-clockwise moment caused due to this much part of UDL of intensity 10 kN per meter acting for a span of 2 meter. So we can assume a point load of 10 into 2 magnitude force which is acting at the center, that is at a distance 1 meter from point F. So we have minus 10 into 2 into 1. So this is equal to minus 30 kN meter. Next we take section at point G. So bending moment at point G is equal to 0 since we know that summation of all moments about point G is equal to 0. Now point G is at the extreme right end. Summation of all bending moment about point G is nothing but sum of all the moments about point G by considering the left hand side of section, which by definition is bending moment at point G. Now since summation of all moments about point G is equal to 0, a bending moment at point G will also be equal to 0. So now we are done with a bending moment calculation. Now let's plot the bending moment variation diagram.